For me, photography is and always will be an art. And as such, most of what an artist creates is subjective. An image which to one viewer is a masterpiece is to another viewer a hollow cliche. And that's okay. Art is, after all, beauty in the eye of the beholder. So we all agree, I suppose, that there is no right and wrong in photography. And as the great photographer Bill Brandt put it, photography has no rules. It's not a sport. It is the result that counts. Except, of course, from the comments section of YouTube. Because time and time again I read comments asserting things like, "Your flash was underpowered. 35mm film is garbage. None of this counts." I would have deleted that picture. So many photographers are keen to point out the mistakes. But of course, there are no mistakes. There are photographers trying to force their own way of working, their own technical preferences, onto another photographer's work. So, when exactly did the venom start? When did photography become toxic? We'll all have a different answer to that, I suppose. But for me, for what it's worth, I believe that the digital revolution in photography has got a large part to play in this. Because with the digital workflow, so many things can be changed, manipulated, altered. And with so many alterations on offer, everyone has a view. And if you've decided to do something different to them, then stamp their feet they will and shout you down for being wrong. Like there is a right and a wrong. You see, fundamentally, these photographers wagging a disapproving finger, they are treating photography like a science, with very black and white answers that are, in their mind, either right or wrong. But I politely remind them, a science it is not. As I said before, for me, it will always be an art. And absolutely nobody has the right to tell an artist that their work is wrong. You can say you dislike it, but wrong? You have no right to say that it's wrong. So the next time that you are casually scrolling the YouTube photography channels, and you see a comment in the feed telling a photographer that their technique is wrong, politely drop a comment, eh? Just stand up for art, and let's tell these scientists, photography is an art, it's not a science. It's not a sport. It has no rules. That was, as I said, a quote from master photographer Bill Brandt. If you'd like to know more about this extraordinary photographer, I have a video explaining why I think he's one of the greatest photographers that have ever lived. If you'd like to know more about him, then after you click the like button for this video, click on this next video and be inspired by the best.